Hello everyone, this video is explained for how to design products market with the new label. Firstly, we need to choose the product you wanted to design. Find the design dimensions. According to dimensions, handle the print image pixel. You can use Photoshop or other tools. Then click on New Custom Platform to begin your design process. Choose the second customization method. Please note that upload images for each piece of the product. Each piece needs to be uploaded. To prevent missing uploads, it is recommended to click on each piece to check. If check that all pieces are fully covered by your uploaded images, the product completed design. Then you can click the Save button. Save your design now. And you need to wait a moment. Please do not touch the product while it is being saved. After a while, a message will pop up indicating successful saving. You need to wait for 3 minutes before placing an order and syncing the design to your store. When saved successfully, click Edit button named your design. And please note that 3 minutes after you can add into cart. When you add to the shopping cart, the size and colors information will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video.